Welcome, crypto enthusiasts. Have you ever wanted a tool that tells you when Bitcoin is entering a new bull cycle or nearing overheated territory? Well, welcome to BingX. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of the Bitcoin rainbow chart. By learning how to read the Bitcoin rainbow chart, you can identify historical price patterns, assess market sentiment, and refine your trading strategies. Could it give you the confidence to find the next big move? We're going to find out. What is the Bitcoin rainbow chart? Picture this. Instead of numbers and squiggly lines, you get a colorful rainbow splashed over Bitcoin's price history. The Bitcoin rainbow chart turns complex trends into easy on the eyes color bands, from blue when everyone is panicking to red when the hype is off the charts. This unique tool uses logarithmic regression to smooth out Bitcoin's wild rides, overlaying price history with color-coded bands that represent different sentiment and valuation stages. Way simpler than memorizing candlestick patterns. Who created the rainbow chart? The rainbow chart began as a playful 2014 meme by Reddit user Aesop with straight color bands. When Bitcoin's volatility broke that model, version 2 emerged in 2019 with recursive regression curves thanks to Bitcoin Talk's Trololo and Blockchain Center's Romeo. This upgrade created the iconic bow-shaped design to handle extreme price swings and provide more reliable visual guidance. The curve design adapts better to Bitcoin's volatility and prevents the chart from breaking during bear markets when prices fall below the original's lowest band. Why everyone loves or needs the rainbow chart. First, it's simple. No PhD required, just a splash of color. Next, big picture focus. It's great for long-term trends and avoiding panic or FOMO. Also, perfect for planning, especially if you like strategies like dollar cost averaging, set it and forget it. How to read the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Blue and dark green, or fire sale / accumulate. It's clearance season. Think of these as Bitcoin's on sale, grab some if you dare zones. Green to light orange, or still cheap / hodl. Things here are chill. It's the comfy couch of the rainbow chart. Maybe time to relax and just hold on to that crypto. Orange to red, or FOMO / sell. Seriously, sell. This here is the party zone, but be careful. Sometimes what goes up fast comes down even faster. When everyone's hyped, it could be time to think, should I take some profits? How to use the Bitcoin rainbow chart. First, identify Bitcoin's current price band. Locate Bitcoin's current price within the colored bands. As of July 2025, BTC sits at the yellow HODL zone, suggesting a fairly valued market. Second, interpret crypto market sentiment. Each color band reflects investor sentiment. Cooler colors like blue and green historically correlated with the undervaluation and accumulation phases. Warmer colors like orange and red are associated with market exuberance and potential overvaluation. Third, combine with other indicators, the first of which is technical indicators. Add relative strength index to spot overbought or oversold conditions, moving average convergence divergence for trend shifts, and moving averages like 50-day or 200-day MA for support and resistance levels. Volume analysis. Rising volumes during price moves often confirm strong market momentum. For example, if Bitcoin enters the FOMO intensifies band with unusually high trading volume, it may indicate a strong rally, but also heightened risk. Another indicator is macro factors. Keep an eye on economic trends such as interest rates, inflation, and global liquidity. In 2024, Bitcoin's surge past $100,000 coincided with declining US interest rates and increased institutional inflows, factors that aren't reflected in the rainbow chart alone. By combining these elements, you can make even more informed decisions and reduce the risk by relying on a single indicator. Plan entries and exits. How reliable is the Bitcoin rainbow chart? In 2024, Bitcoin's push past $100,000 rode falling US interest rates and institutional ETF flows. These are external factors the chart doesn't track. Still, it remains valuable for long-term sentiment. Analysts' projections suggest possible 120% upside to $200,000 by late 2025 if sentiment holds. The chart aligned with Bitcoin's 4-year halving cycles, where supply cuts create scarcity that historically drives peaks into the red zone. Then corrections follow. So, is it reliable? Well, not on its own. But as a broad cycle reference, it still earns its place in the toolkit. Rainbow chart limitations and what to watch for. The Bitcoin rainbow chart's primary limitation is its reliance on historical data, missing rapid market shifts from events like regulatory changes. After Bitcoin dropped below the lowest band during the May 2022 crash, the chart required recalibration to match new market realities. The chart lags due to volatility smoothing, making it poor for active daily trading. It misses immediate price movements and macroeconomic impacts, so investors typically combine it with fundamental and technical analysis. The rainbow chart is popular because it shows multi-year sentiment cycles through simple visuals. But infallible? Absolutely not. It's built on past performance using logarithmic regression that assumes steady growth, potentially missing regulatory shifts, ETF-driven demand, or macroeconomic surprises. Combining the rainbow chart with other tools. The rainbow chart works best for broad strategy. Smart traders sharpen their edge by combining it with crypto fear and greed index for sentiment, RSI for overbought/oversold signals, and stock to flow or on-chain metrics for fundamental context. When multiple tools align, like rainbow chart flashing maximum bubble while pi cycle top blinks red, it could signal profit-taking time. Layering technical, sentiment, and on-chain insights reduces false positives and boosts trade timing confidence. Buy Bitcoin on BingX and use BingX AI. Are you ready to put all of these insights to work? BingX offers a user-friendly, secure platform for trading 1,000+ cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. The quick buy feature makes market entry seamless for beginners and experienced traders alike. BingX AI delivers real-time personalized analytics and market suggestions. For lightning-fast market insights, simply click the AI icon on the Bitcoin spot trading page and ask a question like, according to the BTC rainbow chart, what's today's crypto market sentiment? Trade confidently with advanced security, transparent reserves, and full compliance. Just visit BingX through the link in the description and maximize every cycle with professional tools and support. In a nutshell, the Bitcoin rainbow chart is your friendly, colorful companion for spotting big trends and market moods. Perfect for anyone who wants investing to be just a little less scary. But as with all tools, use it as part of your crypto toolkit, not your only map. Have you ever bought crypto when the rainbow chart says fire sale or sold at maximum bubble? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to BingX. Until next time, trade smart, stay curious, and keep your charts as colorful as your portfolio. I'll see you next time.